Hi, this is a closer look at my Lineside Relay Cabinets that I got from Model Railway Scenes. Nicely 3D printed. I have to get them painted up. It's very difficult doing this on one hand holding my phone, another hand trying to show you. They're quite small. All gauge 3D printed. That's the bag they come in. And get that to focus in there. That's a nice little model. You get 6 in a packet, and I didn't pay a hell of a lot of money for them. That's why I bought 6 packets of them. I actually got them off eBay, but let's say if you go to their own website, they sell stuff from their own website. Okay, thank you very much for watching. It'd be nice if you could subscribe to my channel and leave any comments. Thank you.